Hello friends, today we're talking about decluttering again because decluttering is the hardest thing we do. It's not hard, but it is the hardest thing we do. And there are 3 guidelines that I want you to remember when you are thinking about letting something go, opening your hand and letting it go. 3 things, 3 questions that you have to answer honestly. Do I need it? Do I need it? Is this something that I require to keep my house going? Or some other reason? Is it something I need? Then I have to keep that. Is it something I use? Your vacuum cleaner, your dish soap, things you use, things that you use and you need to use, not duplicates, but things you use. Do you use this thing? Then you need to keep it. The last and hardest question is, do you love it? Do you love it? So if you don't love it, then it's been stuck in the corner of a cabinet behind other things and you didn't know it was there. So when you discover it, it's not like an Easter egg that you found in the grass on Easter Sunday. No, you weren't looking for it. It's not something you love, but you say, oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. Really? Okay, if you really feel that sincere about it, then I want you to put it in your seasonal decorating or something like that, or in your seasonal clothing or whatever it is that you found. It needs to be in your seasonal switch out, okay? So that if it's winter now and you're getting rid of all your Christmas decorations and it's a wintry looking thing, then put it in your display. Put it out. Now, my husband asked me a question. He said, what if they love elephants, for example, and they have thousands of elephants in their collection in their home? And I said, if they love it and they display it, it's their choice if they want to have their house cluttered with lots of elephants. It's not cluttered to them. So the thing I'm trying to say is you don't have to do something like someone else does it. It's your home, and if this is what you love and it makes your heart happy and you have space for it and it's 1,000 elephants, then have 1,000 elephants. But really handle each one, pick each one up and say, this one is not so special. And maybe you're going to get rid of 50% of them or 75% of them, and you have cultivated a more beautiful collection of lovely elephants. But it's up to you. It's your call. And the thing that we do in FlyLady is that we go back and we re-declutter over and over again, and it gets easier and easier. And no one tells you to do that. It's an automatic thing. Once you've gotten everything decluttered, you're going to say, maybe I'm going to go through that again. And it's easier the second time around and the third time around to make better decisions. But in the beginning, these are the questions you ask yourself. So when we're talking about clothing, do you need it? Is it a bra and you only have 3 and it's in beige and it's your only beige bra? Then you need it. You might not love it, but you need it. Until you can replace it with a better bra, that's your bra. Or you learn to appreciate the bra that you have and say, it's perfectly good bra. I'm going to keep that bra. Do you love it? Is it a blouse that you just love the way it looks on you? You love the way it fits. You love the things it goes with. It works well in your wardrobe. You can use it for more than one season, whatever it is. If you love it, it fits you, then keep it. And the last thing is, do you use it? So need it, love it, use it, use it. I use this coat. I use these shoes. But if you don't, and even though you love them and you need them, if you don't use them, then maybe they need to go. So let's say you have a pair of boots in your closet. And they're cowboy boots. They're really cute. They were expensive. They're hand-tooled. You bought them back in your day when you were doing your cowboy thing, whatever. They still fit. They're still cute. You still think they're cute, but you're never going to use them. You just have no place where you can wear these boots. And to save them for Halloween is ridiculous. I'm just being honest. So let someone else who loves to wear cowboy boots enjoy those boots. This is just a random example. It's not necessarily what you have in your closet, but you get the idea. So you have to love your clothes, need your clothes, and use your clothes, or your spatulas, or your books, or whatever. It has to fit one of those parameters in order to keep it. And so that's what I'm telling you today. You're going to love it, need it, or use it. And actually the way I said it is, do you need it, do you use it, and do you love it? Or do you love it? One of those things. So let's go through cleaning products. Let's go through your cleaning products. People have so many cleaning products. It's so crazy, me included. I had a lot when I first started decluttering. So I might find some Lysol wipes and 2 bottles of, I don't know, something, Windex, and some Comet, and some odd things that I haven't ever used or used once or whatever, and they're all in a giant collection under the sink somewhere. So you're going to do the same thing. Do I love this product? Oh, I do. I love the way the Comet cleans my white porcelain sink. I've got 2 cans of that. I'm going to keep that. I'm not going to buy any more until I'm near the end of the 2nd can, but I'm going to keep that. These Lysol wipes, I never use Lysol wipes. Now that may or may not be true, but I'm just giving you an example. I never use these lemon Lysol wipes. I don't like the way they smell. And so I'm going to get rid of them. What about this extra mop head that's under here that's all wet, was wet at one point, and now it looks like a stringy dog? I'm probably never going to use that again. Let me get rid of it. So you're going to have to go through your things and get it narrowed down so that you have exactly what you need, love, and or want or use underneath the sink, so that you have, so it's not overwhelming. Here's what happens when you have too many things. You don't even know what you have because you can't see it. You can't see the forest for the trees. In this case, you can't see the trees for the forest. But you're going to have to be disciplined to go through your things. But I want you to do that. I want you to ask yourself the questions. Do I need it? Do I use it? Do I love it? You might want it, but you don't need it, you don't use it, and you don't love it. But you just want it. You want it because you spent a lot of money on it. That's not a legitimate reason to keep something. You might want it because it belonged to somebody that you admired in the past, but you don't love it, you don't use it, you don't need it. It's not a legitimate reason to keep it. Okay, so start applying these parameters to when you are decluttering and see how it works for you. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a happy new year, because this is New Year's Eve when I'm making this video. And I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Bye.